In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix corrupted data on Nintendo Switch. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna present multiple options that you can follow to address corrupted data issues on your Nintendo Switch, regardless of the model. So first, for simple fixes, which you should always try first, you can start by restarting your Nintendo Switch console. A simple restart might seem nonsensical and not effective. However, it can often clear up minor glitches that might be causing the corruption, so always try fully restarting your Switch before proceeding. If it doesn't work, the next thing to do is to check for system updates. An outdated system software can lead to data corruption issues, so make sure that your Switch is updated to the latest version. You can check by going over to the system settings, scroll down and selecting the system category and choosing system update. Let the process finish, and if there is a pending update, go ahead and install it. Now, if it doesn't work, we can move on to more additional steps. First, check for corrupted data. The Switch actually has a built-in function to check for and potentially repair corrupted data. So once again, go over to the system settings, access data management, manage software, and find a specific game that has the corrupted data or the game that is giving you trouble, and choose the option to check for corrupted data. Follow the on-screen instructions for repair if the corruption is found, and you will be able to choose how to deal with it. Now, if it still doesn't work, you have some more involved fixes. You can try reinstalling the game. So, once again, data management, manage software, select the corrupted data game, and you will be able to find the option to delete software. Of course, if you didn't back up your save data to the cloud through Nintendo Switch Online, then it is going to be lost when you delete the game. But if you have a backup, you can go ahead, reinstall the game, and see if you can use the backed up save data to play once more without the corrupted data. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix corrupted data on Nintendo Switch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.